Service has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, out 20 nautical miles until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near West Cameron 53, or near the mouth of the Sabine River, moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sabine Pass 10 and West Cameron 53. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Flood warning.